All right, here we are today, working on a 1998 van, and the door latch is messed up. So we got Bud. He's gonna be repairing that today. And so look here. So here we go. I'm gonna be quiet.
We can get the thing going, man.
Yeah, but the part came in yesterday, so we was excited about that. So we got all that loose,
Okay.
and so here we go.
Now,
All right, so the new part is here, and just remove, bring those in, and put those parts in. Let me do that right there. So, all right. So the part was right, huh? Just like it needed to be.
just like it need to be.
Wow, awesome. You want to talk a little bit? Talk us through some stuff.
Yeah, I mean, I ain't no expert in this. Not in this type of work, but I am mechanically inclined. So it ain't hard for me to figure stuff out.
All right.
So, and actually, it's my first time doing this right now.
Wow, first time doing it.
Yeah. But actually, my second time, but it's my first time with all the right parts.
Oh,
First time I did it, I had to rig it up, as they say, Jimmy rig it. But I made it work from the inside out.
wow.
I still made it work.
All right. So you putting on the door, that's the inner door latch going on next?
Yes, sir.
All right, wow.
And the door latches. Let me see. Okay. I gotta take that back out. Back out right quick.
Okay, we had to flip the door latch around and bring it around to the other side. You see it hanging down, everything looking good. So once you get that part back on there,
Okay.
all right.
Pretty hot. Let me take my shirt off. Pretty hot. Okay. Never mind these tattoos. Don't worry about that. Not worry about that there.
All right, got the door latch.
That's the first,
Yeah.
first assembly. Okay.
Coming together pretty good.
Coming together pretty good. Not taking too long to do it. But hey, we're gonna get it done.
I got it.
We're gonna get it done now. Believe that.
So the back assembly is in on the inside of the door. Now that's the inside door latch that he's putting on now.
One step at a time, baby.
All right.
Okay.
Wow, looking good.
Looking good. Looking good. Get some more sweat on my face. Hot. It's hot. It's hot. It is hot. Okay. Now here comes the fun part.
To kind of talk to us a little bit what you got there.
Oh, this is old assembly.
Mhm.
There was all the parts. The problem wrong with everything dry rotted. So I rigged it up and made it work, but it worked it. So, you know,
Yeah. Okay.
all this stuff right here. This the only good part that was on there. But
Okay. Rest of it.
the rest of it was messed up. See all the rubber bushes and stuff
Dry
gone.
rotted.
Dry rotted. Even on that and that.
Wow.
Okay. So. Okay. Now we got that right there. Then we're gonna come back and get this dude right here. Make sure it's right.
That's right there, right there.
Okay, we'll make sure this dude right. Like that. Like I say, I never did this before.
Oh yeah, okay, I see it now.
Okay, now, did I do it now like that? Do it now like that. Now, okay. I'm gonna go to the outside latch. I'm gonna put this. Move it up right there. Like that.
I mean, hold it up.
Hold it up. See.
All right.
See that dude? Got that dude in there right there.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Put these bolts in this thing.
So that's the new assembly for the door latch and then for the unlock. And so, wow. So all those 3 bolts hold that new latch assembly in.
Ain't too much nothing to it. But to do it, baby. Okay. Got a couple more little process, a couple more little steps. Cable. Let's put one more cable to the outside. We got the inside latch working fine. So now we gotta do the outside.
We go to the outside to that latch there. So you got outside latch, inside latch, door latch.
We're gonna put the lock on last. Gotta take the locker loose, too. Like that, like so. All right. Now, it's another cable. There it is. She was hiding from me. Hiding from me, y'all. I got her.
All right, that cable goes down to it goes to the outside door latch.
Okay, right there. Let's see where it go.
Goes to the door latch too. Key latch right there on the ground.
Okay, now I can see.
Well, it's kind of hard for me to show you that. I can't see. Can't really. No room to put a camera in there.
There we go. Okay. Just about there. Okay, so what I gotta do now? Just put this guy right here up and put the dude right here, huh? Let's grab into it. Snap that dude to that thing like that. You feel me?
Good.
Yeah. That's how you feel me? Snap that dude in there like that.
Alright. Oh, I see it right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then it's gonna be a one-hit wonder, you know what I'm saying? Why? Watch this out.
Alright, see it.
Dude right here back in here.
Alright, put the door back in there.
Put that dude there now. This dude right here with the other dude together.
That's the clip that holds the outer door lock in for the key.
There. So now, that's all we gotta do right here. Okay, let's see.
Almost done. Got the door latch, the inner latch, everything assembled together. It looked like maybe about a 15-minute job. Well, total about 30 minutes, 40 minutes with the disassemble and put it back together again. Wow, looking good.
Okay. Put the dude on. And guess what?
Hmm?
I'll tell you one thing about me. When I shut this light off of this phone right here, and go back together with the dude, we ain't doing no testing until we get done. Dude back on there. You feel me?
I got you.
You got me, Mr. Owen.
I see you. I see you
That's
at
why you
work.
called me, because you know.
I see you at work. Doing your work. All right. Putting the door panel back on. See, we won't be doing no testing until we get it all back together. So
We ain't doing no testing because we know it right.
I know it's right. That's confidence.
Confidence.
Wow. So we got.
I got a bunch of confidence in myself.
Wow. So here we go.
Here we is. Last piece to the puzzle, baby. You know who to call. You know who to call.
All right, all right, all right.
Call. And like I said, I never did this before. Like that.
First time. Wow, pretty good.
First time.
Yeah.
With all new
So,
parts.
yeah,
And
all
I
new
made it
parts.
work with old parts.
Then we bought that off of Amazon. I think it parts were like $20 to $21 since I'm trained 22. So when you go to Amazon, you can get some of the parts real cheap and at a good price.
So you go to testing the tuning.
Here go the test. All right.
This must be locked. That's locked.
Lock from the inside. So
Y'all
there you go.
Y'all thought of it? Money
There you
good.
go. Money good.
Y'all thought I messed up. Y'all thought I messed up.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
I
Got it. Oh, man. New lock assembly right here.
Yeah.
All right, all of that's new. Hey, man. And then, wow, congratulations. Great job. Great job.
Appreciate it.
Bud.
Appreciate it.
All right, man. Thanks. God, that's all right, man. Good luck. God bless you.